Welcome to ATeck. In this video, I will discuss that how to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your Android phone or iPhone. Next, tap the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Here tap Switch Account and then select the YouTube channel that you want to delete. Once the required YouTube channel is selected, tap the profile picture again and select Google account. Tap Data and Privacy, scroll down to the Download or Delete Your Data section. And tap Delete a Google service, re-enter your Google password followed by Next. Tap the bin icon, now select, I want to permanently delete my content. If you want to proceed, check the boxes and then tap Delete my content. Now type your channel name or email address exactly as it appears. And then tap Delete my content, and that's it. That's how you delete a YouTube channel permanently on Android phone or iPhone. But keep in mind your Google account will not be harmed. Only selected YouTube channel will be deleted. If you like the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.